If you want to update your GOG games quickly and correctly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to update GOG games using GOG Galaxy step by step so you can keep your games current with the latest patches, bug fixes, and improvements. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open GOG Galaxy on your computer. Once the app loads, look at the left side menu and click on Installed. This section shows all of the games you already have installed on your device, which makes it easy to find the one you want to update. Now, browse through your installed games and select the game you want to update. If an update is available, GOG Galaxy will usually show an update button right there on the game page. When you see that button, click Update to begin the process. After that, GOG Galaxy will start downloading the latest files automatically. Depending on the size of the update and your internet speed, this may take a few moments or a little longer. Once the download finishes, the installation process will begin, and GOG Galaxy will apply the update to your game. At this point, it's best to let everything complete without closing the app or interrupting the process. When the update is fully installed, your game will be ready to launch with the newest version. That's really all there is to it. You've now updated your GOG game through GOG Galaxy in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.